Right now, in Kerala, there are floods. Some people have left their body in that flood. Yes? Can you just get into their position right now and just visualize a soul leaving the body in the midst of such crisis? A soul leaving the body in the midst of crisis. What will be the last emotion recorded on the soul? Fear, right? Fear. Let's take only one emotion, leave the rest. There would be a lot of emotions, but let's just take one emotion, fear. Do you agree any soul living right now in that flood will carry fear? Sure? Fear. Now that soul has left from there, taken another costume, enter the womb of a mother with what emotion? Fear. That soul may tomorrow be born into your family as your child or grandchild. Or that soul after 20 years may turn out to be your spouse. Anybody? Or that soul after 20 years could be your working colleague. What emotion are they carrying? Fear. What is your emotion? Confidence. Fearless. And that child or that spouse or that colleague is carrying an emotion which is completely opposite. Fear. I am fearless. They get scared of the smallest things. They get scared for nothing. I have to live with them. I have to work with them. That fear can be removed. But what will I have to do to remove that sanskar of fear? First, I have to understand them that it's okay that they are carrying this sanskar of fear. I cannot say, I expect you to be confident. I cannot make fun of them and say, आप इतना डरते क्यों? I cannot say, you are 20 years old and you're getting scared to go out in the dark. We ridicule them. We criticize them. We even compare them with somebody else. This 10-year-old child can be a boy. His 12-year-old is a sister. And the parents say to the boy, तुम्हारी बहन देखो कितनी strong है. Look at her. And you are a boy and you're getting scared. What are we doing to the soul? What are we doing to the soul? Can you visualize? Left in trauma, carried fear, lost family, lost everything, came into the new family with a wound, and the new family criticizes, compares, and makes fun. Or worries, मेरे बच्चे का क्या होगा? And what will all these emotions radiate to that soul? What will they do to that soul? What will that do to that soul? I've come with a wound, and this is the energy that I get from the present scenario, not only just from my parents. Tomorrow I go to school, my friends make fun of me. 20 years later, I get married, my spouse makes fun of me. 30 years later, I have children, my children also make fun of my sanskars. What will happen to that wound? What will happen to that wound? And we only said, isn't it natural to expect that my children will be fine with pitch darkness, that they will be confident, that they... What is wrong in expecting? We were expecting according to the sanskar we were carrying. Now it's very easy to understand that, okay, someone left in a flood and so they carry fear. Everyone around us carries different sanskars because of something that happened in their past. It may not be a flood, it may be something else. But they are carrying different sanskars. They are different from us. Not wrong. Not wrong. Expectation is normal. Expecting them to be as confident as me is normal. Is it normal to have people same as me? Is it fair? Is it fair? No. I have to tell that to myself every single day. How unfair am I being? By just looking at them and saying, why can't you be this way? How can you be like this? Why can't you just change this much? Don't we say that to them? Because we feel it's so simple. Why are they not being able to do it? Because they are carrying a different sanskar. They are carrying a different sanskar, different past, different scenarios, different sanskar. This different sanskar can be in a child, this different sanskar can be in my spouse, this different sanskar is going to be in the people I work with. One line I have to remove today. Expectation is normal.